Presenting the digital button snap pull tester. A precision testing instrument designed to evaluate the attachment strength of buttons, snaps, rivets, and other fasteners on garments and textile products. In the apparel and textile industry, ensuring that buttons and snaps remain securely attached is critical for product safety, durability, and compliance. The digital button snap pull tester measures the force required to pull a button or snap away from the fabric, helping manufacturers identify weak attachments before products reach the market. This advanced tester applies a controlled pulling force to the fastener, and the digital system records the exact load at which the attachment fails or exceeds the specified limit. Complies with international standards. Contact us today to learn how the digital button snap pull tester can strengthen your garment testing process.